Empini for no trimoding. Menka say Ghana for trimoding. Empini for no trimoding. Or support it. Make say papa. It may be edri momo na na here. If you dey one nyina momo na here, ba no na ye dey any edin. Fefe muntisi a momo na here. Enope. Cause on one oh, in terms of financial aspects, you know, here and in a space. How do I say it? A space for an exhibition. Though art center or no, but then they can enlarge it.
That's awesome.
Somewhat on.
Mama kwaba edeba Attention TV eso. Attention TV die. Ye say ye den sema ekoso o ye mamu ha say ane ye de besomo. Enche ye bia na yenka ne say producer and as a filmmaker for famous production and same be menu ba ko bi ekoso one Mr Beautiful ntema ama no akase akoye se Ghana mamu ha say ne say ba ne movie side na actors na kasankasa na producers na ye omo actors no omo ntai produce movies no now so when I feel ye de ni ekohwe creative art industry ni say creative art industry dey can say artists for wom wona we trust ne enso wom na say interest ne ye kohwe wona wo draw na kire say no ye say ye wo African month na African month and as Ghana month ne dey ye ne Ghana for ye na kire say drawing eka ho fi say hwetete na obehu na ya draw akwaba ya ye nyina ye ni makwaba ye draw no anya de no eto ho a obeye akwaba nti ende fila ye kohwe artistry side no eya na won so etesen omo obi a woson wasne owo group bi wo Ghana hanom say ya wode wo nko hyem anase Ghana hanom say no ye ka say artwork na enipa epe artwork anase omo no mude art no epuapua ye enipa abusia gibre na ye fan komo no enhyehyɛ so na so ansa na no wana wo so masne ene University Foundation eye foundation a odi ne ho asi wo se wana woni bi mobrowa ajanka ehu sia bepacho Easter ebe wonim se Easter de yadoye ntina Yesu Kristo fi soro ebe wuji ye nkwa na ode pepa ye bone na kire se adoye na ekona odo eno nti University se wodi kakra na wo no frɛ no 05483029850 05483029885 na onene twetwe nkomo na Easter kakra wo no fa kanedie ho na ono nso emfa nkoye adoye midin ene akosia spakos mami twa me ho simape emfa mbra ede nkomo twetwe no ebe hyehye so abusia me da sesa wonya bre e de twema me twa me ho ade eba yes na ma di kan e ka no ene fela yes ye Ghana month den ye di Ghana aduane yes Ghana sa sebi kwa ye kwa jana ka ye ko Ghana ejanan na ene yes ye Ghana month no ye hwa de ba ko bia ya nipa emfo wandwe enkoso na so ye nam krom dana ye tai hu so omo display omo art e de to abonti na kire se ne ye ofe no na watwa be ho na wakoto na so ye bisa se ye kwa artistry work na etesen nie ya adoma chede ana yetimi kosua se otimi kra kosua na aban no anase muabi efiri ho de ba na ende yenya artist ba ko e studio hanu musi ne ebe twetwe nkoma se ye Ghana manti de obe no ono ankasa no ye nkoma twetwe ne koso no na o kire yense ne ye painting anase art no esi efa ede eko ye ni no ekohwe nkomo ede afa artistry work no etesen nie ono na femu no ye hwe coronavirus kra na ye de bibi to just say one fa ho anko social media so na kire say kwan ni ho say obetimi ede aye adwuma ente wo say social media so a ana oye adwuma ono during coronavirus no ofa ne sen na nyoma mu so etese ye nko ne no enko twetwe nkomo emo akwa ba
ye nua
na udini Kofi Bruce meboa eye wo artwork na say den
Kofi Bruce ni de den ye ma me
okay
but then me art name I use here Kofi Frames
na ni Kofi Frames
pachane
Okay.
Nti no.
Okay. So you can say artist. Oh yeah, artist.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, artist. Nti artist then oh yeah.
You can't artist. You are so many kinds of artists.
Okay.
You're music artist, you're painting artist, you're different. But then me painting.
What then you painting?
Alongside drawing. Pencil works.
Okay.
Or digital works. So I do both.
Pencil, digital, BBIB. Nti mostly in there now here.
I do more of digital.
You do more of digital.
Because that one, it's very fast. With the pencil, it takes time. Obo did man amount or be more pressure.
Ne boarding.
Pencil works ne boarding.
Ade.
Oh, it takes time. Because
pencil, no?
It makes me day. Be 3 hours. I hear digital works be 10. But then with pencil, it will take me weeks just to do a work.
Okay.
So enema ne boarding.
No, who draw na say o draw no papa.
It takes time. Or so until was now you sit down back on a pen. Mistake bound pay, you have to change the paper. Start over again.
Or so stand.
Pepe.
Now o start biom. Na ti saka kam we ka so start.
If it is erasable then you erase it. If not, or someone start biom. As a ultra letter ama open bia why mistake no. Letter dem open the ensensem keke.
Uko sian
Actually
since when now who say utimi draw.
Oh, me what JHS mu nyina na. Junior primary mu wonom no, ever JHS na. I was doing something small when I got to know say na idea wonom. And I just want to make that change because I can just look at what you're doing and I'll just look at it for some time and one say I'm doing it. I used to make this particular thing, I won't do it.
Oh, okay.
I am an electrician, but then I'm in fruit. Because I didn't, my counsel me say I'm afraid of heights, so I'm in fruit.
Oh, you're electrician, so come.
Yes, but then
Ghana, you're doing to now. They are coming on.
Visa,
because yeah, sure we are young, like oh yeah, and oh you're electrician. Oh you're electrician. That's not be artist now. You're artist, the dancer now. Some electrician.
Then I shut down and call artist name here because then. Not support now. Then so you need to finance yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, so SHS time I'm a core technical school, St. Paul Technical.
Okay.
Procure to me. So from there now we be feeling now Charlie. Now we might think because who use school we are mouse can say as me see faculty the name or say oh na Charlie.
Oh,
yes. So we say means be out be na wako in him no then that's it.
No, the electric way no can.
If I'm to tell you other works, who be for me?
So what's the Ghana I didn't know
so,
you know.
Like
and then I'm Ghana a man a year with him.
Me kase Ghana nyame nkwana de mame.
Okay.
Ye nyina de man, but then obi an say no de man no tie. Me say no, me parents antenada.
Okay.
So we be any say Charlie hardship na on fan survive.
The hustle.
Yes. That works. What makes Ghana hard for me?
What's the hustle?
Yes, Oboa when you support for parents and I say family relatives we. But then you know, you say, "Tisia na you say pejana go for person for mo san share share." But then you chom say na.
Not just I say me boa obi na so.
Ensi. I say akole ya say me. Impenisam girl, small girl be on YouTube.
Okay.
BU comedy.
Okay.
There's this small girl, guy name. Oh yeah, but then I now say nah, this girl she's talented. Mami knew so no. So we result akwala kaka. It's any parents omope akwala no. They want to give the child to a friend and a management team. And a guy knows so on theater. Say no so a trend on social media.
Oh okay.
So I won't let anyone come in. Nah.
Now so your other works come home.
Yeah.
And been there.
Me photography.
Your photography.
I come and just kakra.
I know the man I remember.
Photography no. Nina.
Say na ye Ghana here didn't ya.
Say Charlie. And the more queen one say
munya support fee about.
Support now, but then you need to join certain groups to get there.
So do you join?
I'm almost there.
How?
You need links.
How is the links? Because
you have to register.
Yeah, that one is so register. But some over call office now, register.
Aside you registering your work, you know, there are groups, association, artists for joining. They say creative art industry.
Creative art industry.
Art center. Yes, those things when you get there, you will buy only say Ghana. Or say kakra video.
That be what try.
Well, I'm trying. Try it there, but I'm trying.
But you've not joined any group yet.
No, not yet.
Until for now, no
I need to get someone.
Industry to make a choice say Jai Juma. Jai.
Yes, they can, but then I'm on the process. And I say Majija them because I'm getting what I want. If that makes me do the yon I do.
So you want to join the creative art industry?
Yes, I will.
Until no, you push Ben we push here. I can say aje kakra no.
Oh, say Ghana pinu for is it service
as a protocol be. Protocol because say oko school now person go register for exams sir. Oko headmaster's office no watch forms no register. So I think say the creative art industry too it's done like that.
It has been done like that, but then Ghana I had it. You see Ghana card you see in free see no. Omo mo san come with the okojia the queue you join or so kakra there when you the mom you'll be sorted.
Okay,
that is how the thing is. And no the akwa infini for mu no the Charlie almost settlements na nye twa na bi
oko register or work no
share
nti oko no kan we natural
on say no but then yen kan no enche say in your
okay
it is there. But then to get to the right source now, that is the thing. Because meet me aba, watching me at our office. We can say that if you are me say, but then if you are only the right person now, or some coming home. So it was a step by step. You calm down, then you do your inquiries, knowing who the right person to go to.
Okay.
That is how the thing is.
Okay. You say you can say you twaswa. Arts ye ka say you be draw you draw the same and I say then ekeka ho aye draw.
Oh, we're drawing on you need your board or table to support your paperworks. And you need pencil, erasers, sharpeners, like all the drawing tools you need them because we be able to see